falling. I think that wouldn't be Ireland without a proper bit of rain. First, I need to find my tram. So I'm here at Busara, so I'm going to use them. I haven't had coffee yet, so I need to find a place, but I will find a place once I'm off the tramway. So if you know me a little bit and you've seen some of my other videos, you might know that I really like arts and parks and gardens. So basically that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be an art and park day. So first I will be starting with the Museum of Art because it opens at 10 AM and I have the constraints of the opening hours. And then it's going to be the whole day outdoors. We have the great weather for this. So yeah. Right now it's 9 AM and I still didn't have my coffee, so I'm going to stop for a coffee first, and the museum is not opening for another hour anyway, so yeah. I think there are coffee shops in there in the station. Alright, so cafe latte, and I am trying the Irish sausage roll. That's pretty good. That's a bit spicy, but pretty good. Not spicy, I don't know what, a bit strong. Alright, so that was a lovely breakfast. I really needed that coffee. I don't normally eat meat at home, but it was Irish sausage roll, so I had to try that. Now it's 9:45 and I'm on my way to the Modern Art Museum. So that looks like it's the entrance to the Irish Museum of Modern Art. Yeah, admission free. Oh, welcome. Great. Alright, so apparently there has been some concerts. So, Irish Museum of Modern Art, imposing building from 1684, housing permanent collection and temporary exhibitions of varied arts. So that is there on the left. Nice, very nice. You are going there. Right on time. Hello. So there were like two main galleries in the building, and there are other exhibits outside, like within the building, but outside. Look how nice that is. There's one there. Is that there? There's some music coming from here, I think. I've got another gallery on this side to do, and then the third one is outside from where I came from, the entrance, but I'm kind of wondering what's happening there. So I asked the security guy, and the concert is not until tonight, so right now we're just setting up, so nothing to see, just all the security guys and all the stuff basically. Well, body and mind are the scores in your body in the ways, and this is the only way you will ever. And now the garden galleries. The weather is better. So now I'm back in the main building, and I kind of want to go that way. to see if there is something there. There should be like the gardens. Oh no, there is a cafe that way. So I'm just walking there because people are just coming and going. But I'm not sure that there is anything like, look, it's being prepared for the concert tonight. So it's really a mess. I'm going back. It's a mess. There's nothing to see in terms of gardens. There's a cafe somewhere there. Is that for Blink? I think that was for Blink. Anyways, I've had a look at the cafe and at the prices and at the choices, and I just didn't like it. So I'm going to go out of the museum and try to find a cafe or a shop nearby. Alright, so right now I'm going back towards the train station to have lunch at the little cafe that I was in this morning. There's somebody actually playing Blink. So that's just going to be, that was in the end, that was the fastest and cheapest option. It's 2 p.m, I've had lunch, so now I'm going to the Phoenix Park. So there it is, there is one entrance there. Look at this, wow, 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 wow. That is Wellington Monument. So things I have written from Google about Phoenix Park. Wild deer, a zoo and a fort feature in this 708-hectare park known as Dublin's Playground. So just a few notes that I wrote before coming there. If you remember, I told you a few days ago about when I came to Ireland when I was young, when I was 14. I don't remember a lot because that was a long time ago. I do remember going to a big park where there was a big column. I don't think we really visited the park. We were teenagers, so I think we just sat there chatting, flirting and having fun and trying not to get caught smoking cigarettes. I actually recently found my old film rolls from that summer camp. I had taken 6 film rolls in 3 weeks. The times were different. There was this park and maybe this column or cross that I'm going to see. I don't know if I remember a column or cross. I kind of remember a column, not the cross. No, I kind of remember the cross actually. I'm taking a photo of the cross too, but I'm not sure if I have a photo of the cross or of the column actually. Alright, so I need to take more photos of that. And I'm going to do maybe a little time-lapse there, because it's going to look nice with the dark clouds. That's all I have written for today. So now I'm just going to walk around and explore it. And I don't think I remember more than that from this time, just the column and or cross. Of course, I am at 30 on a 36 roll and I completely forgot my other roll in my other bag. The weather is absolutely changing from 1 minute to the next. Like, look, so dark, so dark, so dark, but there, blue. I feel like this park is a bit higher up, so you can see some hills there in front, like super far away. There is no clear path really, and I am drenched now in 2 seconds. Very nice stream. We've got deers. God, we're so far away. Oh God, I don't know if that's dangerous, a deer or not. I have no idea, I'm a city girl. There are deers everywhere. Hey babies, look at the baby, he's so cute. So cute, you are so cute. Okay, hiding. More deers on the other side of the road. I'm filming with the Panasonic. I don't know, I've been really enjoying using the Lumix S5 these days. So, this baby, look. But the Panasonic right there is not too bad. It's different. It's a different look, different result. Oh, I think we're approaching the cross. I think that's what I remember. The cross on the little hill. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at how vast that is. That's so great. It would be better without bloody cars. Just look at that. So nice. Look cute. And it's just so sunny now. Today I'm again with the Lucozade, but today it's the orange one. Again, tasting the local cuisine. We are done. Alright, now onwards to the fields I go. I will continue a little bit and then I will turn around. I'm not even religious, but that looks really nice. And yeah, to go back to my memories from when I was 14, I'm pretty sure that it's basically this cross that I remember. But I don't remember exactly from which point of view, like where we were around the cross. So I'm going to have to look at the photos again to try to figure it out. So if I find the photo again, here's a photo with maybe teenagers being blurred. I think that this is the US ambassador residence. Alright, I'm going to go back actually, but maybe more on the left right there. That view is so freaking nice. Can't believe it. This is time for that. So I'm guessing that this leads to the US ambassador's residence. And that, most importantly, is the Phoenix Monument. And there you go. And straight ahead now. The monument again. I'm at the Wellington Monument again. And look with the sun, it's so nice. Nice. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this park now. That was a really great afternoon. It's definitely better with an Irish playlist. I recommend the course, obviously. And yeah, now time to say goodbye. Just enjoying for a few minutes before going to the tram. I'm just really happy about the day I just had. I don't have that many memories. It was a long time ago, but it brought back some memories. So. And now I'm going to the tram to go back to the hotel. Literally just missing it.